Alright, so now we're going to set up the fume tank. So I'm just going to go and duplicate our old tank here. And let's just place that around where we're going to need it. Just unhide it here, and let's just call this, it's a bit heavy at the moment, but let's just call this engine's low. So now let's place that around. If he's going till frame 80, let's kind of place it maybe. So I want to make sure to give it enough space after he crashes, just in case the fluid's gonna move forward a little bit. And maybe we can make it as small as we can. Alright, so that should be good. So let's just do a low res. Let's see, let's do maybe 0.25, maybe 0.3 for now. And let's go in and add our simple sources. Let's set our sim to 150. Let's just leave everything the same as it was before. Just so we have the same turbulence settings, and with everything mainly the same, it's going to blend in with the other fluids fairly nicely and look the same. We can turn on blocking Y to negative just in case it hits the ground. And we can add in the collision. Let's just lower the spacing to 0.35 just to get a little bit of a quicker sim. Okay, so let's take a sim of this and see what we get. Alright, so we have our simulation here, our low res, and it's looking pretty cool. So it's just as we'd expect. The fire starts on and then it burns off and we get just smoke going down. So that's going to blend in nicely with, if we unhide our other fume tank and just control select the other one to view them both, you can see it's going to blend in here nicely. Now the reason why we're doing this in separate tanks, not only is it because it's such a big area and we're simming quite a few different effects, but also so we can shade them how we like. And it would just be too difficult to shade all of this in one tank together at the same time. So for instance, maybe we want a different type of black body shading on this part of the engine, and as well for this explosion, and maybe different colored smoke for both of them. So that just gives us more flexibility when we go to render. We've got them separated out into different passes. So that's it for this clip, and next clip let's make a few adjustments and set up a higher res simulation.